Hello everyone. Now the circles exercise 12.2 question number 2. Prove that equal chords of congruent circles. Congruent मतलब again two circles whose radii are equal. If you are taking the two circles here as C1 and C2 and their centers as O and O dash, then definitely their radii मतलब radius का plural form, they will be equal. So they have when the radius is equal, then only they will be called as congruent circles. Subtend equal angle at their centers, then the chords are equal. So what we have done in the question number 1, that is the same we are doing reverse way in the question number 2. उसमें क्या था, आपको chords अगर equal है तो centers पे angle जो बन रहा है वो equal है. Like that you have to prove. In this already it is given angles are equal. At the center what you are getting, that angles are equal. This is already given. आपको angles के लिए already दिया हुआ है. आपको prove करना है कि जो chords हैं वो वाले equal हैं. So what will name the chords here? A, B, and another chord we will take it as C and D. So let us see here how we can prove. Let C1 and C2 are the two congruent circles. तो आपको याद रखना है कि congruent मतलब their radius should be equal. दोनों circles का radius जो है वो same रहना है. Then only they will be congruent. Congruent circles. And what it is given, already it is given as the angles are equal. So we can write angle AOB is same as the angle CO dash D. As the angle at the center is equal, we have to prove the chord. What is the chord here? Chord is nothing but which is joining the two points on the circle. So the first chord is AB and the second chord we are taken here as CD. So these two are equal, that we have to prove here. So let us start with the solution now. In triangle AOB and triangle CO dash D, these two triangles we are considering. So what the triangles we had got, that two we are using. Now AO is same as CO dash. Why? Because it's nothing but the congruent circles, their radii must be equal. So radii of congruent circles. Then the next thing we can use AOB, angle AOB is same as the angle CO dash D. Why? As it is given. क्योंकि angles equal है, वो आपको question में दिया हुआ है. That's why we are taking that. Then the third thing again, we can use BO is equals to O dash D. Again ये वाला BO एक रेडियस है और ये वाला O dash D भी रेडियस है. दोनों रेडियस इक्वल है बिकॉज दे आर द कॉन्ग्रुएंट सर्कल्स. कॉन्ग्रुएंट सर्कल है इसलिए उसके रेडियस इक्वल है. रेडियाई ऑफ कॉन्ग्रुएंट सर्कल. नाउ दे आर फॉर्मिंग, एक साइड है फिर वाला एंगल है, देन वी आर टेकिंग वन मोर साइड. सो इट इज फॉर्मिंग द SAS congruence rule. By that rule the triangles are congruent. So we can write therefore the triangle AOB is congruent to the triangle CO dash D. As the triangles are congruent, their corresponding parts must be equal. Corresponding parts मतलब जो उसके तीनों corresponding sides हैं वो sides और तीनों जो angles हैं they must be equal. Corresponding sides and corresponding angles must be equal. So we need to write here for angle, sorry for side. Angle आपको already equal दिया हुआ है, we need for side. So AB is equals to CD, which is nothing but the corresponding part of the congruent triangle. So we can write here therefore the statement we can complete. Therefore equal chords of, so therefore what you have to write, जब अगर angle equal है तो उसके chords भी equal होंगे. That we need to prove here. If congruent, what you need to write here, if chords of congruent circles subtends equal angle at their center, then the chords are equal, then the chords are equal. So what we have done in this question, basically आपको क्वेश्चन में दिया हुआ है कि एंगल्स जो है सेंटर पे वो एंगल इक्वल है, आपको प्रूफ करना है कि इसके जो कॉर्ड्स बन रहे हैं द कॉर्ड्स आर equal. Hope it is clear for you. If you are having any doubt, you can ask in the comment section. Thank you.